Hello everyone. Today we are going to review the Let's Goal 2021 planner from Space and Beauty. So this is the box that it comes in with. It's a pretty pink pastel box. Looks pretty sturdy. Now let's open it. So as you can see, I think in this box first we have some sheets. I'm going to come back to that. Then we have a nice little animal print pop socket. Post that we have the Let's Goal 2020 planner. Oh wow, it's really beautiful. As you can see, it's gold foiled, very pretty. We'll keep it to that. Then we have this sticker book.
Pretty interesting, I think. Wow, look at the number of stickers. This is crazy. I think here you'll have stickers for all occasions. Very nice. I'm really impressed with this.
Let's see what is in this. Okay, there are 2 bookmarks, decent. Then you have a card and a very witty one. Then
This will have finding your Ikigai, 10 rules for Ikigai. This is some note on Ikigai, some actions, and then any kind of journaling that you want to do. So
that is, I think, about it. Let's go back to our planner. This is how the planner looks like. As you can see, it's a pretty pastel pink planner which says Let's Goal 2020 2021, a limited edition. I think gold foil, has Space and Beauty written right at the end here. Let's open the planner. As usual, the first page is where you write your name and post your photograph. So it says this fab year belongs to. Then you have a nice little note from there.
hey you are a star. We just want to remind you that you are so special to us. We hope that this planner helps you organize your daily life, keeps you stress-free, focused, and helps you achieve your little goals, kill your big worries, and most importantly, live your life as you see it fit.
PS, the planner is only as good as you use it. The very act of buying a planner changes nothing, and it's all about you, your dedication, your commitment. We wish you a wonderful future ahead. Loads of love, Space and Beauty.
I think this is a very nice note, and I completely agree with them. Being a planner head myself, I absolutely agree the planner can be as good as what you could be. So a very nice note.
Then you have a little personal information. Then you have the 2021 and the 2022 calendar spread. Then you have a birthdays section and your 12 months, so you can write which month you have which person's birthday in your life. This is very interesting. You have year in pixels, so you will have sad to happy. What is the kind of coloring you can give here, and then at the end of the year you can see overall how your year has been in pixels. Pretty nice. Then you have level 10 goals.
Oh, this is very interesting. So you have family, personal development, finances, career, fun, recreation, self-control, environment, health and fitness, spirituality, happiness. I think this is very good recommendations to have goals in.
And then I think this is where you can track them. Absolutely. So you can actually color the level 10 system here, and you will be able to track yourself at what level you are over the period of time. So I think one of the things is already written: family and friends. Here you can have personal development, finances, career, etc., etc. And then that can go. This is very nice. Oh, now you have a nice looking vision board. Then you have bookstagram. Nice. So all the books that you want to read. Then you have sacred rituals, so morning and evening routine, what actually comprises of your morning and evening routine. Then is make yourself a priority. Then you have introducing Hygge.
Okay, so now here you will, I think, have, if you're a Hygge party, what would your space consist on? If you want to treat yourself, what will you do? What is my kind of people to get comfy with? So this is nice. This is your ideal day. How will it look like? I think that is what you have to put in here.
Then you have 2 pages of just notes.
I think one thing that is, I just want to go back, all the artwork is so pretty, and I really appreciate it.
Now you have the wall of movies. Nice. Then you have TV shows watch list. And then you have little stars that you can give them. So all the TV shows that you see, you can quickly write them and give them little star ratings. Nice. Wow, this is very, very nice and useful. Clean that. So this is your cleaning schedule. So daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, bi-annually and annually.
And I say this is very useful because as you can see daily, you can have a daily schedule. Weekly, you can actually cut down which weeks that you have actually cleansed. Bi-weekly has 26 marks, monthly has 12 mark points, bi-annually has 2, annually has 1. So this is very useful.
Then you have Pack Me Up, will come in handy. I also like how categorization that are there here.
So clothes, accessory, toiletries, miscellaneous, documents, carry on. And as I was mentioning about detailing, right? See, look at the amount of detailing. The clothes have clothes, documents has passports and tickets. So I think I really like that. The small little detailing that the team has given. All kudos to them.
The next page we have the bucket list, and that is also pretty elaborate. So
you have in bucket list places to visit, things to do, souvenirs, totally random. So you can write a lot of your bucket list here.
Then we have down the memory lane. So you'll have about 11 pictures that you can put up, Polaroids over here. Then you have social stats, a notes page, subscriptions. Then you have, I think this is where the January month will start. I was right. Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. So this is the first monthly spread that is starting from here. I think all of these were the year end or yearly spreads that you can track over the period of the whole year. Now here I have the first monthly spread, nice little artwork. Then you have the monthly calendar. Then you have lists, so monthly lists, to-do lists, events, affirmation, totally random ideas. Wow, this I'm really impressed. So goal grid.
We have 24 things that you can talk about how your month you want to be. So goal grid, to become, create, organize, simplify, travel, believe, release, prioritize, redo, read, attend, practice, eliminate, improve. So pretty good 24
points where you can actually create your dream month. Like, this is what I want to do in the month. Very, very good page to start your month with. Then you have 9 habit trackers, and there is no name written. So it can be anything and everything that you like. I think 9 are more than sufficient to have habit trackers. Then you have habits to kill, habits to grow, rate yourself in consistency for the month. How can I improve? Then you have period days, sick days. Interesting. Then you have your regular weekly spreads. And then you have your month-end review.
What's working, what's not working, how am I feeling, what can I let go of, what do I need, what can I celebrate, what can I control, what can I not control. Respond, next month I want to feel. If I get stuck, I'll remember. To feel this way, I will. I think these are really good prompts, but somehow I feel the space here is really less.
Then you have shopping lists. So groceries, want, need, online orders, gifts that you want to give. Chip and chalk, I think these are the junk food that you want to eat this month. I'm not sure of this really. Then you have wish lists. So next page we have the expense tracker, product category, budget, actual. Oh, this is really nice. So where you have this grid, you can actually mark them red or green and say that if the green, it was within your budget, if it was red, it was outside your budget. This is very good, but a good place to start with. Clean eating. Oh, this is very useful. Now I have clean eating, healthy fats, proteins, flours and grains, dairy, fruit, sweet treats, nuts and seeds, and general rules that you have for eating.
I really like this into a monthly spread because then it will be super useful for me because now I can have a monthly rule for eating. So depending on the season, I can plan my diet chart. This is very interesting.
But on a flip side, I think this should have come at the start of the month because I can plan the month accordingly. But nonetheless, this is useful. Again, I think this is the page that I saw and I decided to buy in this planner. It is a very, very detailed fitness tracker. So here, as you can see, this is for exercising, this is for cycling, this is for running, go to the gym or weight training, I'm not sure, dancing, swimming. So all of this you can actually see in a month, what did you accomplish. Then you have a water tracker and a sleep tracker. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do in the habit tracker, but this is good to have here. Then you have weights over the 5 weeks and you can track it. Here you have weight gain, weight loss. a diet tracker, no sugar days, no junk days. Then you have weight goals and the rewards that you're going to give yourself. So I think I know this page pretty well, and this is one of the main reasons that I bought this planner. Oh wow, this is also very useful. So this is the meal planner, and for the entire month. So you have all the 7 days and all the weeks written here. So I think this will go hand in hand with the shopping list and the grocery list. I think once you have decided what you want to make, I think the grocery list would be very easy, and you can do your monthly grocery list and then check off every week. So I think this is very useful. This is also interesting. I think to write this down is very nice. You can reflect on a month. So these are my obsession. So these are my current obsessions.
So you will have loving, eating, listening, thinking, reading, so on and so forth. So these are good prompts for how your month was. So I think very nice. I mean, I wouldn't have done this for myself. And this is also a nice anecdote. Write a crazy incident about your obsession here.
Pretty decent. And now I'm assuming we are in the month of February. The artwork is pretty nice. The quote is embrace the pace of your journey. Nice. And I think this will be similar to the month of January. Oh wow, I didn't realize this. This is very nice. So instead of having those tacky tags, you can actually go to the next month with this. I'm not sure if this is focusing. Each and every month is a different color, and you can go to that color very easily. So similarly, the month of March has Hey Warrior, Keep on Growing, and with a very spooky artwork, I must say. This is not very pleasant to look at, but nonetheless a good art piece. Then we have for the month, as you can see, I came to April very quickly. For April, it is remember when you started. Sorry, remember why you started. Then you have the entire month of April. May has Be a Beacon, and as you can see, I can go to the next month pretty easily. Believe and Love. I love this artwork as well. This is do what you can with what you have and where you are. These small positive quotes actually make a lot of difference when you start the month. Keep going. You did not come this far just to come this far. Everything will come to you at the right time. Be patient. Live for the moment. You can't put into words. I really live by that quote. Get comfortable with the inner chaos. I think some artwork is a little spooky, but having said that, doesn't disturb me as much. And last and the least, I think this is December. Yes, it is the best way out is always through. Nice. Let's see what is at the end. There's some, I think, couple of pages for notes. So I think that is the end of this planner. Now to sum everything up, I think this is one of the most consolidated planner that I've ever seen, at least in the Indian market. I think it is very, 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 very good. In terms of the trackers, in terms of the prompts that it is giving, everything. And I don't see any planner in the Indian markets actually going to this length to give you so much of flexibility and so much of tracking at the same time. So I really, really appreciate this planner. Now, in terms of pros, let's list down. It is, I think, one of the most comprehensive planner. One. Second, I think it is a very, very beautiful, lovely looking planner. So it looks pretty. It looks well built. So I can say that it will last me a year. It has color coding of this. I absolutely detest those monthly tabs. So I can reach a month very easily as to where I am. So that is also very useful. There is a satin ribbon attached to this as well. I think a place for pen becomes extremely useful for me. So one of the things that if Space and Beauty is listening, just put a pen tab that you generally get with a lot of books. I think that would be of a very big use to me, at least. Another thing that I have already mentioned during the time that we were reviewing this book is the clean eating page. I would like it to be at the start of the month, so I can have my month planned in a very sorted way. Even the meal plan, I would prefer it to be at the start of the month, so when I'm planning for the month, it is easier. Second thing, which I have also mentioned already, is this page. As I'll just quickly show you my current planner. So if you see, the page of gratitude is really big, and I generally completely write down this page on a regular basis. I also have a daily gratitude I also have a daily gratitude space here, which I also fill in every day. So don't see so much little space for the entire month's review. The prompts are really good, I appreciate that, but I think the space is very little. And last but not the least, these satin ribbons, right? As you would have seen my planner, I keep a lot of placeholders so that I can go to my page immediately. So I would also appreciate if the satin ribbons, there were multiple, at least one or at least two to start with, so that I can have my month start and the month end together. That would have been of extreme use. But all in all, I think this is one of the best planner that I have seen in the Indian market specifically. And apart from the cons, I think if you're thinking of buying it, I think this is the right time. And I'm just going to put up its price. I think I ordered it in pre-sale or pre-order, so I got it at a massive discount. But I think if it is still on, you should go ahead and buy this planner. There is no two ways about it. And if you see the current planners in the market, they are expensive than this one planner. So I would highly recommend you to go for this planner. So I think in 2021, I can't wait for 2021 to come and start using this book.
Also, let me know about video recommendations. Until then, bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy planning.